The Jura E4 is a masterclass in streamlined, high-quality coffee preparation designed for those who treasure both the ritual and the result of a perfectly brewed cup. At first glance, the E4 stands out for its minimalist yet sophisticated design, but its true brilliance lies in the thoughtful engineering and technology that underpin every cup it produces. Links to the best price for the Jura E4 coffee machine are in the description box below. Central to the E4's excellence is the professional aroma grinder, a feature that ensures each batch of coffee beans is ground with remarkable precision. This grinder is engineered to deliver consistent results throughout the lifespan of the machine, meaning you can expect a uniform grind every time, which is essential for extracting the full flavor profile from your beans. The consistency of grind size directly influences the taste, body, and aroma of the coffee, ensuring a rich and balanced cup, whether you prefer a delicate light roast or a bold, dark blend. The brewing chamber of the E4 is impressively versatile, accommodating between 5 and 16 grams of coffee per brew. This flexibility allows you to tailor the strength and intensity of your coffee to your exact preferences, whether you desire a subtle morning brew or a robust espresso shot. The 8th generation brewing unit, combined with the Jura's unique 3D brewing technology, further enhances extraction by allowing water to flow evenly through the coffee grounds at multiple levels. This multidimensional water flow ensures that every particle of coffee is saturated, resulting in a cup that is both complex and harmonious in flavor. As any Jura E4 review will tell you, a standout innovation in the E4 is the pulse extraction process, which pulses water through the coffee grounds in short bursts. This process optimizes extraction time and is particularly effective for short specialty coffees like espresso and ristretto, intensifying their aroma and flavor. The result is a cup that captures the nuanced notes of the beans, offering a sensory experience that rivals that of a professional cafe. For those who appreciate a true double shot, the doppio feature is a game changer. The E4 grinds, tamps, and brews twice in succession, delivering a genuine doppio that is both strong and smooth. This is ideal for users who crave a more intense coffee experience without compromising on quality or crema. The machine's intuitive symbol display makes operation effortless, even for those new to super automatic espresso machines. The clear, logical interface guides you through each step, making it easy to customize drinks or switch between functions. For added convenience, the E4 includes a separate hot water spout, perfect for preparing tea or crafting longer coffee drinks like café barista or lungo barista, expanding the range of beverages you can enjoy. Water quality is a crucial factor in coffee preparation, and Jura addresses this with its intelligent water system. Utilizing RFID technology, the system automatically detects the Cleariol Smart Plus water filter, ensuring that only filtered, impurity-free water is used for brewing. This not only enhances the taste of the coffee, but also protects the internal components of the machine from scale buildup, contributing to the machine's longevity and reducing maintenance needs. For those who enjoy integrating technology into their daily routines, the E4 is compatible with Wi-Fi Connect, allowing it to be controlled via the Jura Operating Experience app. This opens up a new realm of customization, letting you fine-tune your coffee recipes, manage maintenance, and even start the brewing process remotely from your smartphone or tablet. While Wi-Fi Connect is not included, its availability as an add-on ensures the E4 can evolve with your needs. In everyday use, the Jura E4 delivers a seamless and enjoyable coffee-making experience. The combination of advanced brewing technology, user-friendly controls, and thoughtful features means that every cup is crafted to perfection, whether you're preparing a quick espresso to start your day or savoring a lungo in the afternoon. The E4 is designed to let the quality of your coffee and the pleasure of the process shine through, making it a perfect companion for those who value both simplicity and sophistication in their coffee rituals. And with that said, I really hope that my Jura E4 review was helpful. You'll find links to the best price on the Jura E4 coffee machine in the description box below.